doing? This is RDP with the Living Frugally Large channel. Um, right now, I'm about to change the spark plug on the 2009 Saab 95. So I have everything. I have all the tools ready. I have a drill. I have the spark plug socket and the spark plugs. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna have to remove the spark plug cover. We don't need to use the drill anymore, so it's coming out easily now. So we have to make sure that we don't drop any of those bolts or screws, and just remove the cover, just slowly, gently, so we don't break anything. Wow. Okay, I need to do some cleanup before I remove anything so I don't drop any dirt or grease down there. Okay, so that's why I brought in this brush. So that's one thing that you have to make sure that you do when you're doing this kind of work. So you have to make sure you have a brush to clean up any dirt, any grease, so they don't fall down to the spark plug chamber. So I'm gonna grab some paper towel. Actually, I have a rag. Let me try to get the rag in first to clean any dirt, any grease. And then I will go ahead and remove the spark plug and some paper towel. I'm just gonna spray it over the paper towel so I can get the paper towel a little bit damp so I can clean inside the chamber. Okay, that's good enough. Grease is coming out. Making sure nothing is falling down. So I went to get me some reinforcement, so I got the long flathead screwdriver to clean up. See them flying. I think that's good enough. Now let me use the brush. Kind of move them. Get some microfiber towel to kind of clean. Okay, try to get the first spark plug out, which is number 4. Okay, it's coming out easily. So there it is. This is the first one. Look pretty decent, but you know, it's been a year since I bought this car, so I want to make sure I do some preventive maintenance on it, so nothing happen in the long run. So we're gonna make sure that what we're gonna do, we're gonna add some indices to it. So next time when we try to remove the spark plug, not a lot, just a little bit. That's good. And then we can gently drop the spark plug down to its chamber. And so bear with me, I'm trying to do this with just one hand and also Uh, there you go. Also filming, so I'm just putting the spark plug back to its chamber, or rather yet screwing back the spark plug. There you go. It's tight enough, so we're gonna have to use the ratchet to tie it a little bit more. Okay folks, so we just installed, we placed the first spark plug, so we got 3 more to go, so I will keep you guys posted. And okay, we just replaced all 4 spark plugs. Those are the old one with burnt tip, and now what we need to do is to clean the ignition coil, make sure there's no dirt or grease. As you remember earlier, we found some grease that was uh, hanging in the ignition spark plug chambers. So we're gonna make sure that we keep a close eyes on that, so we don't get any issue in the future. So in the meantime, let me go ahead and reinstall the ignition coil, make sure everything is working properly. Okay, so I'm gonna need both hands to do so. So don't go anywhere, folks. I'll be wiping before we screw the. Okay, we just turned the car on. It's running. So we're gonna go and screw the. Actually, I should add some antifreeze on those. Make sure they come out easily next time. So let me go ahead and do that. Just tap on antifreeze, so not a lot, just a little bit. Leave it up. Okay folks, we are done. We are done replacing the spark plug, and I thank you so much for being there watching the video throughout. I mean, it's been an amazing project, and I'm glad that you were there. But I thank you for you to share this video with your friends and family. So folks, that was RDP with the Living Frugally Large channel, and I hope to see you soon. Don't go anywhere, stay tuned, okay, for more videos. Thank you.